smoke alarms, these are really important. And I'm going to give you an overview in a second. My name is Professor Caroline Fertelman, also known as Dr. Carly, and I've got over 30 years of experience working in the NHS. It is really important to have working smoke alarms. I cannot go on about this enough times. I've seen too many children coming in extremis from smoke inhalation, and I know that people smoke and I know that things can be dangerous and there can be electrical fires, but smoke alarms really, however annoying they are, if they go off with a piece of toast, are very important. So please make sure that you have smoke alarms and that their batteries are working. The other sort of smoke detection I would suggest you think about are carbon monoxide detectors. Again, these are very helpful. You really only need them if you've got gas coming into your household. You don't see these carbon monoxide with other heating, with other, what is it called? Other fuels. It's with gas fires. And again, this is something I've seen, not frequently over the years, but it is something I've seen. They're very easy to install and they will detect the carbon monoxide levels in the house, and they're very difficult to detect otherwise. And actually the symptoms that babies and children and even adults have are very nefarious, can be very difficult to spot these. So please, smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms if you have gas in your house. If you've thought this video is helpful, please like and subscribe and let your friends know.